Education during this pandemic has sparked a heated school board meeting in Jasper County. A group of parents say it's time to lift the face mask mandate. Some of them are even threatening to pull their students out of class if the mandate remains. WHO 13's Justin Surrency has this story.
The Baxter Community School District's most recent school board meeting shows a clear divide among administrators and parents when it comes to the mask mandate in the classroom.
This is a very divisive issue. People are divided all over our country about this, and Baxter's not unique in that sense.
Opponents referenced extremely low case numbers and demanded their children have a choice in masks.
But there is direct liability in an instance where the school is forcing my child to wear a mask and there's serious injury or death that may have occurred while participating in a school mandated event with that mask requirement.
The mandate began the first day of school. With the exception of a brief period in between Thanksgiving and Christmas, Baxter students have been learning in person.
I understand the public's frustration with it, but we have 3 weeks of school left.
Some parents are threatening to look elsewhere when it comes to educating their kids in Baxter.
The superintendent has lost my family's complete trust by spreading misinformation and fear-mongering.
Superintendent Dr. Michael N. Clapper says the mask mandate is designed to keep the maximum amount of students in the classroom.
If only one person is wearing a mask and one isn't, then if someone tests positive, both kids are going home. We have kids who have graduation, we have district track meet, district golf, all these things that are one-time events, and if you get exposed and you get sent home, there's no making that up.
Without a state, county, or city mask mandate, others believe it sends a conflicting message to students.
They're all seeing that the masks actually don't manifest themselves anywhere but the school. So really what this does to children is it says, well, one standard here, another standard somewhere else.
The pandemic tension doesn't just end between the district and their parents. Last week, the county was one of 54 to deny their full allocation of the vaccine due to a lack of demand. According to the CDC, 43% of residents in the county 18 and up have been fully vaccinated. That's the 79th lowest percentage of all 99 counties.
The people who are saying unkind things about each other, they still run into each other in the grocery store and at the gas station. And when this is done, we still have to be Baxter. So that's just really, we have to try and keep that in perspective.
Tension the district hopes to have cut before next school year.
Absolutely. We want to relook at these policies over the summer and hopefully do things differently in the fall. But right now, we just want to get to the end of the school year.
In Baxter, Justin Surrency, WHO 13 News.
To clarify, Baxter students are allowed to remove their masks during recess and lunch. And the next Baxter School Board meeting is Wednesday the 19th, next Wednesday, and they do plan to revisit their COVID-19 policies then.